What's up, guys? It is day 91 of programming every day. And, let's see. Chromium. We're back at it again with our OS. Here, I'll show you guys where we left off. Let me just put that there. Let's see. It's up here. CD program. CD new op. Make it. Sorry guys, it's late. Not start X. Oof. It's a little bit too late. What am I even saying? So let me think. So now sudo su clear and make it, and then QEMU system X. All right. What's that? And actually, we'll make this to the ISO. Here is where we left off. So as you can see, this is our operating system ethos. If we hit enter, we'll just go to an idling kernel. Right? There's some stuff going on under the hood, but that is our operating system. We're in the kernel right now. So that's where we left off yesterday. Let me actually put this in a make file. Go down here. Make it. There we go. Now we're in it. So now what we were going to do is print to the screen, but we're just going to access video memory, which is pretty cool. Again, check out the guy's channel that I watched. This guy is awesome. Let me find it up here. Sorry, guys. VGA. Does not mean to do that. Okay. So let's go back to where we were. Writing to video memory. Right? Okay. New vim VGA.c. Include our VGA.h, and then uint 16t column equals 0, uint 16t line equals 0. Make sure to add my semicolons, and uint 16t. Now this one's going to be our VGA. Okay, so this is where we're accessing memory. So we go here, we add a pointer constant, our VGA equals the U16 and 16 integer. And then, let's see, the video memory address. So the video memory address is xb, or 0xb, b, there we go. And then constant uint 16 t, default c equals black 8. And actually, I think we already did this, but let me just check. H. Yes, so it's color 8, 8, black to 8, and then if we do the, let's see, color 8 light gray. So this is technically our VGA table, which is pretty cool. Which is also 12. And actually, let's open up a Chromium tab here, and let's look up VGA colors C. We should have all of them. We don't want that. I just want to copy and paste. That's not what I want. I just want all the color values. I think there's, you know what? We don't have to worry about that now. Uint 16t, a new integer, cur equals default c. Cool. Void reset. So this will clear the screen. Line equals 0, column equals 0, so we're at 0, 0, and we're going to run current C, or cur equals default C. So that's that, and then we're going to run a for loop. So for this is what we're going to use to clear the screen. Uint 16t y equals 0, so set y, and then y is greater than height. So it would be, I don't know. Should be height. And then y plus plus. We run another for loop. Uint 16t x equals 0. So x width. Then x plus plus. VGA. I don't think we have width defined. Y times V width plus X equals, so no character. What this stands for right here, this highlighted area here, it means that we're storing that character, which means nothing, in there. So then we can set it to default. C. And then we set it to that color. Right? Cool. Now I think this should clear the screen. Let me make sure. Or I think it already cleared the screen, but Vim VG. Oh right, I forgot. So let's go into our makefile. And let's define a few things. So we're gonna set this to kernel right up here. Right, and this will be all our kernel commands. And then the boot loader. Right that. And then, yeah, this will be the linker. Else. Cool. Okay, so then up here, we'll just copy this. We also want to compile VGA. We're going to name it VGA.o, and then we're going to put it down here into VGA.o. So this should work. There we go. VGA. I think we need to neovim VGA.c. So we want VGA.h. This. Right, I had to define that in VGA. I predefined it, but I have to. I made it reset. I didn't make it reset. I can make it again. Wait. Oh, I forgot. I forgot a pointer. What is wrong with me today? I swear. Okay, there we go. Did I capitalize C? There we go. There we go. Grow. Cool. VGA dot C. Okay. So default color is black, but I want current. I want it to be a different color. Let's see. Okay. So that's enough of that. We're going to create the new line function. The new line function. And let's see. So for the new line function, it seems like so a new line. Okay, so seems like we declare 2 for loops to clear, or no, it's different. It's if the line is bigger than the, or smaller than the height minus 1, right? And then we increment the line, and then we set our column to 0, because we're doing is we're going down a line, right, and then setting the column to 0, because that's where it will be, equal to 0. And then I'm gonna hit with the else. God, I love that this is not assembly, because scroll up, and then we'll set the column equal to 0. So yeah, that's cool. And then void roll scroll. And then let's see. So it seems like this is another nested for loop. 16t y equals 0, y is greater than height. And you see, I think this is doing is clearing the screen. No, it's not. It's not clearing the screen. for uint 16 t x equals 0, x greater than width, and then we increment that. And then we set VGA height -1, right? And then we times it by width. What was that? Plus X. Okay. I'm trying to see what's going on here. Okay, so just iterates over the columns. So that's VGA to the height -1. So go up. -1 in height, +1 in X. Okay. That equals, that's grep curve. Okay, cool. So then we do another for loop. After that, uint 32, not 32, 16. We don't have a 32-bit number yet. X is then width, and then plus, and here, and then VGA. Height -1 times width plus X, and then it would be plus X equals, it would be no character, and then it would be the current color. All right, cool. So that's out of the way. The scroll up's done, and then we'll now print to the screen. Constant character pointer. So now we hit it with while switch pointer S to case -n, which is our new line character. Then we're going to call new line and then break. So yeah, what? Oh, and then case /r If I know what that is, I'd tell you guys. This wouldn't be new line. This would set our column. 0. Break. In case \t if column is equal to width then we okay, and this would be tab, so then it would so technically what this code does is this means a tab. If the tab is hit and the column equals the width, so the width of the screen, then it will create a new line and do it over that, which is pretty cool. And then uint 16, we're going to create our tab with tab 4 minus column, we're going to do modulus 2, or actually 4. Cool. Everything compiles nicely. Everything works nicely. So then after this, we call while loop tab doesn't equal 0. It's gonna set the VGA. Line times width plus column plus plus equals current color. Cool. And then we're gonna tab minus minus. Cool. So then break after that. I'm going to do a default case. Jeez. What am I doing, man? Okay, default if okay, so here's where we actually print out the character. So if column equals width, then we need to do new line character, right? And then down here, we need to actually print out, what we're trying to say. So VGA line times width plus column plus equals, or it says the address of S is going to be our current, and then rake. After all this, we do S plus plus. Make this. Okay, cool. Now if we go into kernel.c, we can now print hello. Tech it. If we make it, it should. Neovim. Neovim to VGA. Let's see. Okay. So then. Interesting. So say I switch this to the current. Hello. Spit this out. Let's make this so the current would be default. C. Okay. VGA.c. Instead of making this default, let's make this current, or it would be current. Now if we make it, it's pretty weird. VGA.c. This one would be current color, this would be default. Let's change these all back. This will be current, and then this would be current. Current, and then this will be default. Cool. Oh, so we gotta switch these around. So black over here. This will be light gray. There we go, hello. I think it's because, let's try this. I386. New VGA. Let's see. Okay, so clearly that didn't work. Change this back to black. Back to light. See, now it only makes kind of weird. Light gray, and then this will be black. Let me make sure I did everything correctly. That's what I did wrong. Makes me goofy. Let's change this back to black. Change this to light gray. And NeoVim into kernel. Jeez. Kernel.c. And we're going to reset the screen. Oh, nah. Oh, nah. Why is it like that? Am I missing something? Yeah, why would we add X? Put it in the grub. That is why we do that. screen clear with VGA. My back wall is skipping. Sounds like you're programming the VGA yourself to avoid real mode. Here we go. See, his doesn't skip anything, so why is mine? Let's check out. Maybe the width is longer. '64 ethos. That's just so bad. But we're getting it. I mean, that's pretty cool. Is this messing it up? It's not. Is the width messing it up? VGA .h. Let's move the width down to 60. Make it. See if that did a difference. So it made my thing small. That's great. VGA.h. So try 50. That is kind of beautiful, isn't it? It's really pretty. so we wouldn't use, it's like 55, maybe. Maybe six. 480. Jeez. I mean, it's pretty cool though. Not what we want though. H. I don't know, let's try to lower it down to like 100. 100. I think we're close. Instead of 100, 100, let's try 120, 120. Okay. Okay, whatever. Alright guys, that's where we'll end off today. We need even VGA. Let's see. And we just get rid of so she's around, so this will be light gray, and then this will be black. Right, make it, it's still gonna print our message. Hello, welcome to my operating system. Turn all that. .c, print ethos loading ethos new line loading. See if this works. And if this works, I'll go to bed tonight. There we go. Okay. Cool. That is it for today, guys. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye, guys.